Ready?
Linda.
Ready?
Listen, Linda.
Okay, we're rolling easy. Go ahead. Keep going. Go. Hold on, stop. Okay, gently. Go. 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 You're on the stand. Go. There we go. Maybe. Maybe. Hold on, stop. Okay, I need to use both hands. All right, the axle's not all the way seated yet, but our spindles are in. Upper and lower ball joints in. Our brake line's where it's supposed to be. So we got that, and that's ready to go for the shock. And we can go up and do the other one. All right, go ahead and go down. This side's behaving itself more. Woo! Stop. We're gonna get that in there, and we'll be good to go. Mr. Burns, do you want to grab that and move the ball joint real fast and slide it in?
Got it?
Yeah. You gotta pull the BJ. Oh, God, stick it in. Got it? All right. Come down a little. There you go. Put the brake line in its spot and put the nut on it. And this axle's in already too. This side's pretty much done. The washer, don't forget the washer.
What washer?
Washer's right there.
What washer?
There's a stack of them right there.
What's this for?
It goes underneath the, after you put the brake line.
I don't remember taking the washer off.
Well, guess what goes on?
Okay, I was just saying.
Hold that. Put it in. And we'll just get this on loosely. There we go.
Hey,
All
look
right.
at that.
Okay, so those are kind of sort of in.
Going up.
Yep, close enough for government work. Put the shocks in a bit. There you go.
Look at that.
That side's pretty much done.
I like it.
Cool.
Awesome.
Okay, now we gotta fight the other side in, and then that can go together.